What does this sign mean? A. Helicopter landing. B. Hospital nearby. C. Highway entrance. Answer: B. Hospital nearby. What does this sign mean? A. Subway entrance. B. Railway crossing. C. Train depot. Answer: B. Railway crossing. What does this sign mean? A. Pedestrian lane. B. School crossing. C. Crosswalk ends. Answer: B. School crossing. What does this sign mean? A. Electrical zone. B. Signal repair area. C. Traffic signal ahead. Answer: C. Traffic signal ahead. What does this sign mean? A. Lane change required. B. One-way road ends. C. Divided highway begins. Answer: C. Divided highway begins.